Can somebody please help me? Right now, I'm getting this error message right here when I plug my iPhone into iTunes or connect it to the computer. Now, that's the error message I get. Now, this is my iPhone. I plug it out, plug it in. Like I said, I get that error message. Now, I broke it all down to find out what the problem was. Now, the problem was that I installed SAM, right? That universal thingy. To unlock your phone or whatnot. I got Simple Mobile. Oh, wrong one. Here you go. I got Sam Prefs. I don't know if this has something to do with it. And what else? I had installed Cookie also. Those are two things that I know I installed that breaks my iTunes. Right? So, like I said, yeah. After installing those two, I keep getting this error message right here. So, somebody please explain this or show me how to fix it. Alright? Thank you. And you could send me a message. You can send me an iMessage at real8ball@me.com. Alright, thank you.